Plant-based sausage, grilled bratwurst, and crisp chicken tenders. This is Goofy's Grill, by the way. Bleh, can't talk. Goofy's Grill. I spent too much time in the sun once again at Pearl Island. I got even more burnt than I was the other day at St. Pete Beach. But I just set out some of the kale, the mac and cheese, and the brisket, and it was delicious. They also have chicken and ribs, sausage, sweet potato fries. This is the Mickey's Smokestack Barbecue. Had so much fun, so beautiful. Walked around for about 10 minutes and got some souvenirs, but pooped out at the last minute because I, of course, got sunburned really bad, just too much sun. But anyway, we have dinner about right now at 1923 as our spot tonight. So I'll see you guys at dinner. They started us off with some honey butter and some bread. We're just checking out the menu now. I'll show you guys what we got. It was very loud in this restaurant. I'm sure you guys noticed that. So here's the appetizers, salads. I got a soup from the kettle. It was the pulled guinea hen corn chowder with Yukon gold potatoes, cilantro, and smoked bacon. So, of course, my eye was immediately drawn to the filet mignon, so I'm gonna get that. And I think Ashby might be getting the rack of lamb. We'll see what she decides. They also have vegetarian meals if you're interested in that, and lighter notes like Los Feliz lobster salad. I just tasted it. This corn chowder is so rich and delicious. It's so good. So here's my 1923 peppered filet mignon. It has buttered long green beans, smoked bacon, crushed fingerling potato hash, and pink pepper cafe au lait, which he is about to pour that cafe au lait sauce on the side for me right now. Oh, it's so fancy. He just poured me some sauce on the side here. I asked for it medium and it looked perfect. It was all very delicious, and one thing I thought was funny that Ashby pointed out to me is the vegetable on each dish is always the smallest amount. It's like 4 green beans, a single broccoli, and half a carrot. It was kind of funny. So this is just a snapshot of the bottom of the dessert menu. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't, so sorry guys, but I just wanted to still show you anyway the cool sketch animation that they had on the dessert menu there. I decided to go for something familiar, and I got the Hollywood Hills hot chocolate fudge sundae with vanilla ice cream, fudge brownie bites, fresh whipped cream, and a glazed cherry on top. My friend decided to go for the signature dessert, which turned out to be very beautiful and artsy. It had Burbank blueberry lemon Bavarian cream, Ecuador vanilla bean, lemon rocks, and dried raspberry meringue. So I just wanted to point out that there are 2 sides to 1923. We ate on the Walt Disney side, and the other side is Roy Disney here. Wow, look how fast we're moving. I wonder what island that is. So I just wanted to say that tonight is pirate night. I had no idea that we were gonna have a pirate night. And the folks, we have been set up with the most wonderful people for dinner. So we don't get to sit at our own table. They do pair you with other people. So if you have a small party, like there's only the two of us, they might sit you at a table with others. But honestly, that has been so wonderful. It's these 2 other couples, they don't know each other. And so it's just been the 6 of us. We'll also eat with them tomorrow night for our 3rd night of our dinner rotation. But it has been great, and just all been talking about our experiences and and bonding a little bit. It's really fun. So they said that they thought that we wouldn't have a pirate night. They don't usually have a pirate night on only 3-night cruises, but this is an inaugural tongue twister. It's an inaugural year, so that's why they're doing a pirate night, I guess. I don't know. I feel lucky to witness it. So there's gonna be a pirate party out on the deck. I think that's at 10 p.m. and there will possibly be fireworks. So stay tuned for that. Oh look, Donald's out. He's doing meet and greets and photos. He has a certain kind of themed outfit on. I can't figure out what it is though. Oh, Pirate Minnie is out. Oh my gosh, she looks so cute. Look at her booties. Oh, she sees me. Yay! Looking good. On guard. And Pirate Mickey. Their outfits are so involved. I love it. Smee and Captain Hook are out. Can't have Pirates Night without Smee and Captain Hook.
Some pixie dust we can take advantage of to make our ship fly, take over some more islands.
So for Pirate Night, we went to dinner, and when you come back to dinner, from dinner, you have this towel animal usually, or towel character. For this moment, it's a towel character. For Pirate Night, he did Davy Jones. Now that's creativity right there. And what are those? Are those also the dove? Oh yes, I love these. I want to eat it now, but I'm so stuffed. Pretty cool, right? If you're wondering what's going on in the background, that is live action Beauty and the Beast. All about it. We're just awaiting for the pirate show to start. Check out all the people that showed up for Pirate Night. Little hint, if you want to be closer to the stage, you gotta show up pretty early, because we were about 20 minutes, 15 minutes-ish early.
It's time to put your hands and hooks together for the most rockin' pirates around!
They were having microphone issues that night. The guy in the mustard shirt is talking or singing, but you can't hear anything, so they were one mic down, so it kind of messed with the show a little bit, but it was still good. They recovered very well. There's not really much you can do in a situation like that. I felt bad for them, honestly.
To
Oh,
Blimey, would that be today?
I sent word out to the other three captains and told them to look for the ship that be rocking like the sea on a hurricane. Let's make sure they know it's us.
Aye. Sounds like it's time to break out the old rock avatar!
I like the way you're thinking, Lashley. Hey, you up there? How we be rocking? I've seen better, Lashley. I think we better jump to it and show them how to rock the high seas so the other captains can find us.
All that jumping suits with it! Rock avatar!
You over there? How we be rocking? Listen up. You're all pirates on my crew now, and I who knows how to rock the high seas. Show me your pirates, or you'll all walk the plank. Show us everything you got. Show us everything you get high. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. Won't be long till the other captains arrive.
We did it! And here they come now. Captain Shabuor,
Parlay.
Captain Madbot,
Parley!
Ahoy, captains! I see you found us then. It was hard to miss you.
Though calm the waters be, your ship was rocking!
we're off the boat!
Won't be long till the other captains arrive. Let's get that sparkling treasure.
But you'd be missing one captain, Captain.
Where be that son of a jackal?
Parley!
Get yourself down here, Jack Sparrow!
Captain. Captain Jack Sparrow. Did you say something about a treasure?
On the 23rd day of the 7th month, find 4 captains of the Caribbean Sea. Parlay they must call out, that is the key. Place thy hand on this scroll and yell out, yo-ho! That's a sparkling treasure you shall behold. Yo-ho!
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 A pirate's life for me!
Find the rum.
Pirates! Now I said you had sparkling treasure, and sparkling treasure you had. Locksley, Gold McGee,
And then directly after the pirate show, they started a dance party. And then I realized that that is actually JoJo from the YouTube channel JoJo's World as I was filming this. I was like, why are they filming that guy? And then I was like, oh, I recognize him. Even though I filmed this clip on the night of day 1, I wanted to use it to say goodnight for my day 2 video. Just thought it was a pretty view from the back of the ship. But I just want to let you guys know that I do consider myself quite a shy and maybe even awkward person, but I do love talking to people. So I did end up passing by JoJo, so I got the guts to say hello, and my friend took a picture of us, so I'll insert that pic right here. And I just have to tell you guys that he was so friendly and so kind, so I am so glad I stopped to say hello. And in fact, we actually had breakfast in the morning at Marceline's, and they ended up picking a table right next to us. So I ended up talking to him again, but it just goes to show how intimate the ship is. You know, you see the same people often and you can make friends. It's a really nice setting. Also, the fireworks, that was so cool. Fireworks in the middle of the ocean. It was a whole 2 minutes and 45 seconds long. I didn't expect it to be that long, so that was really cool. I really felt for the actors with the technical issues that they had, but I thought they did the best they could, and bravo to them. That's going to be it for day 2 though, guys. Stay tuned for day 3, where we go to Castaway Cay and Hyperspace Lounge. You won't want to miss it, so hit that notification bell so you can stay updated. Subscribing would also make my heart all warm and fuzzy, or hitting that thumbs up help me beat that YouTube algorithm. But really, in the end, I just thank you so much for watching, and if you made it to the end of this video, please say hello in the comments. Till next time, guys.